What's up, guys? Welcome back. Welcome back. Let's talk some NVIDIA. Let's talk some FET and some AI crypto. Okay, so what we've seen within the ASI, it's been a really good story. I think as they kicked off their launch, that merger, completing. But let's get into the catalyst for the FET price and why the NVIDIA earnings release is going to be one of those catalysts. Okay, so let's get down into it. Guys, remember, not financial advice. Get that disclosure out of the way. Do your own research, due diligence, and let's hit it. Okay, but before we do, please subscribe to the channel. Follow me on X. The handle is in the bottom left of your screen. And if you want to stay up to date with crypto notifications and what's going on in the markets, my thoughts, make sure you turn on that notification bell. And let's talk some crypto. So here we are, and we're going to get into kind of the overall market caps and what's going on in the world of crypto as we look into the bubbles. You can see essentially we are in the red for the third consecutive day. And as it stands right now, I want to share with you guys kind of what ASI is doing. 27th in market cap, we're trading at $1.24. It's been a strong week, up 37.4%. But on the day, following suit with the rest of the crypto world, except for dogs, they are down 4.3% on the day. So kind of a more bullish case, and that's kind of what we're going to get into. We can make for ASI, and this is the second quarter of revenue results for NVIDIA. Okay, now what is going on is that's influencing a lot of crypto projects that are focused on AI development, and the ASI FET has attracted a lot of attention from investors due to these earnings that have been released. Excuse me. But this is something where in the past, they have not really shown any affiliation with NVIDIA, but these AI-related crypto projects have had success when NVIDIA does well. So this is kind of why FET is primed for another bull run to continue this streak. You can look right now. We can talk about the chart a little bit further, and I'll show you guys exactly what I mean here in a second. As I pull up the trading view, you can see kind of what I'm getting into. We can look at FET and see the explosion that we've had back in February 2024, when I think all the steam with it being priced in and what they were going to do and with this merger. And then we've since sold off with the rest of the market. But look at this rebound that we've had on August 2024. If I turn on my trading indicator, you can see that we flashed momentum up on roughly the August 23rd, 24th. And we've since not flashed momentum down on these daily one-day candles. Conversely, when we look at these orange lines, these are the moving averages, the 20, 50, 100, and 150. We have crossed over two of them, with two of them firmly in our targets. So getting above all four of these would really suggest a more bullish narrative for FET, and that's kind of what we're seeing, because right now closing above that 50-day moving average, that's suggesting that the bulls are slowly and surely regaining control of the price action, okay? But as ASI continues to grow, I want to share with you guys this post from the CEO of and Singularity Net CEO and chief scientist, as they joined on a crypto news podcast with the future of AI and blockchain, and saying how the history and future of AI and blockchain will work together. Okay, and that's kind of what we've seen. So now we have seen a fully diluted valuation of FET to about $3.3 billion with a daily average trading volume of 368 million. That's something where we look for future developments, but still continuing that narrative that FET is extremely bullish as we get into the bigger market picture. And that is something where it's going to be significantly determined by this altcoin season that we're anticipating, okay? The next bull case of this altcoin season triggered by how Bitcoin's dominance is having an impact on the charts, what we're going to have with the presidential election in 2024 in terms of just being bullish about crypto, and additionally just reversing that Ethereum BTC pair will accelerate the crypto crash rotation to the altcoin space from Bitcoin, and that's when we're going to see these liquidations reverse. But in the meantime, this is something where the interest rate cuts and what we're having with the election, those are the two high impact news that we have that could trigger a lot of volatility within the market, not just negative, but positive. So we're going to continue to monitor the situation. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update with ASI, talk about what they're doing on the charts, and give you kind of my thoughts as we get further into 2024. So hope you all enjoyed this update. If you did, please consider subscribing down below. Smash this like button, and we'll see you guys all in the next video. Cheers.